In this video, we will study about the main difference between the DNA and RNA as well as a comparative study means what makes the DNA a stable structure. So let me start. First of all, a few differences between the DNA and RNA. So our topic is DNA versus RNA. We all know that there are two genetic materials. One is DNA, which is present in all higher organisms, either plant, animals, fungus, and this RNA is also present in few, but in viruses it is the genetic material. In some viruses there may be the single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA, or maybe the RNA as a genetic material present in their body. So what is the basic difference between these two means which genetic material is more stable, either DNA or RNA. So let me start with some difference, some basic difference. As we know about the Watson and Crick model of the DNA. What are the main differences here? So first of all, when we consider this DNA molecule consists of deoxyribose sugar, and when we take the RNA, in RNA there is present only the ribose sugar. As we know that both of these sugar are pentose in nature. Pentose sugar means made up of 5 carbon. These are 5 carbon sugar, that is the monosaccharide ribose, as well as we can say that the deoxyribose. But what is the basic difference between the deoxyribose and the ribose sugar? So let me draw the structure. If we draw the structure of the pentose sugar, then we are showing here the number of carbon atom. When we take this ring structure, in this ring 4 carbon and 1 oxygen is present and 1 remaining carbon present at the side chain. So first carbon is this is the second, third, fourth, and to this 5th carbon is present here. This is the second carbon at which OH, this is also the OH group present here, but we are taking here the deoxyribose sugar. In this deoxyribose sugar, this oxygen lost from here. So we can say that this 2' or 2' end not consisting of any oxygen here. So it is known as deoxyribose sugar. But when we take the structure of the ribose sugar, then what is the difference between these two? There is present, again the structure is same except this second position. This second position is occupied by the hydroxyl group. So this is the basic difference on the basis of the pentose sugar present in DNA and RNA. Means the DNA consisting of the deoxyribose sugar means 2' group, 2' position, not having the hydroxyl group, and in the ribose sugar there is present the 2 and 3, both of them consisting of the hydroxyl group. So the basic difference is that on the basis of their pentose sugar. Second difference we are taking here is on the basis of nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous bases means what are the basic difference here? As we know about the Chargaff's rule, or we can say the Watson and Crick model, we studied about the nitrogenous base means purine and pyrimidine. So in the DNA we are considering here adenine and guanine, these are 2 purine bases, and cytosine and thiamine, these are the pyrimidine bases. Means in DNA there is 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thiamine. But in this ribose sugar there is adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil base is present. So this thiamine is replaced by the uracil, means in the DNA only the thiamine base is present, but in RNA these three bases are common and this uracil is present in place of this thiamine. This thiamine is also known as 5-methyl uracil. So don't confuse with it. What is the 5-methyl uracil? As we recognize this uracil means that is the product of the RNA, or you can say present in RNA. No, this is the 5-methyl uracil means that recognize the term thiamine. So this 5-methyl uracil is present in the DNA and only the uracil present in the RNA. That is the next basic difference between the DNA and RNA. Next we can say that what is the further differences are there. So we can say that this DNA is having complementary strand. DNA having the complementary strand. Complementary strand means the two strands are there and these two strands are complementary to each other. So first of all we are taking here the example. If we are taking here A, T, C, G and corresponding to that complementary bases according to the Chargaff's rule, T, A, G, C means bonding between the purine and pyrimidine. If we break this strand, अगर हम इस हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर को ब्रेक कर दें, देन दे गेट फार अपार्ट, दोनों अलग अलग हो जाएंगे. ये हमने पीछे डीनेचुरेशन में भी पढ़ा था. लेकिन जैसे ही हम इस डीनेचुरेशन के प्रोसेस के लिए जो हमने हीट एनर्जी यूज की, अगर हम उस हीट एनर्जी को रिप्लेस कर दें और वी कैन से उसे रिमूव कर दिया जाए, तो क्या होगा? Further, these two DNA strands will come close to each other and again form a double helical structure. So, if we take it in denaturation, means heat is provided, then the DNA strand will move far apart due to the breaking of the hydrogen bond. But when the condition for the denaturation get removed, then what will happen? These two strands of DNA again come closer to each other and become a renaturate and again forms the complementary strand here. So this is the basic difference between the DNA and RNA. But when we consider the RNA, this RNA is only the single helical structure consisting of the nitrogenous bases. So the DNA is more stable. Next difference we can take in DNA. In DNA means this DNA is structurally and functionally more stable. Structurally and functionally more stable. Structurally, how it is stable? Because it has the double helical structure. Functionally, why it is stable? Because it has the thiamine base, and that thiamine base is more stable than RNA. More stable than RNA. RNA से ज़्यादा stable होता है. Next, we can say that this DNA is stable. So, mutation is very less. अगर DNA का स्ट्रक्चर ज्यादा स्टेबल है तो उसमें म्यूटेशंस कम होंगे. लेकिन जब हम RNA की बात करते हैं तो RNA सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड है, लेस स्टेबल है, इसलिए वो ज्यादा रिएक्टिव होगा और उसके अंदर म्यूटेशन DNA के कंपैरिजन में ज्यादा रेट के साथ होती है. नेक्स्ट वी कैन से दैट 2-OH group of RNA make it more reactive. RNA के राइबोज शुगर पर प्रेजेंट 2-OH ग्रुप, हमने पहले भी बात की है। तो ये इससे क्या करता है, ज्यादा रिएक्टिव बनाता है। इट मीन्स जितना ज्यादा रिएक्ट करेगा उतना लबाइल होगा, उतना उसके अंदर म्यूटेशन ज्यादा होगी। एंड दिस आरएनए बिहेव्स लाइक कैटालिस्ट, और ये कैटालिस्ट की तरह रिएक्शंस में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा। सो द आरएनए इज लेस स्टेबल ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दीज few things here, and this DNA is more stable, and the main differences are deoxyribose sugar is present in which hydroxyl group is not there at the second position. We can say that thiamine, the more stable base, is there. We can say that the DNA is having the complementary strand due to which it make very stable structure here. Next we can say that the mutation is very less in DNA as they are present at a high rate in RNA due to unstable, or you can say the chemically reactive structure due to the presence of this 2-OH group, as well as we can say that unstable uracil base is present here. So this is about the DNA and RNA, and between these two few basic differences. Next is the reason of DNA to be more stable genetic material. Stable genetic material. और we can say the reasons ना लिखकर हम यहाँ अगर property word use करें, properties of DNA मीन्स डीएनए की ऐसी प्रॉपर्टीज जो उसे ज्यादा स्टेबल बनाती हैं या एक अच्छा जेनेटिक मटेरियल बनाती हैं, वो प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है। फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज शुड बी एबल टू प्रोड्यूस इट्स रेप्लिका। रेप्लिका मीन्स रेप्लिकेशन, मीन्स टू प्रोड्यूस इट्स कॉपी। तो कोई भी जेनेटिक मटेरियल ऐसा होना चाहिए जो अपनी कार्बन कॉपी खुद सेल्फ प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है। तो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी दैट एग्जिस्ट इन द डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल, हेंस इट इज नोन एज द बेस्ट जेनेटिक मटेरियल। सेकेंड वी कैन से दैट म्यूटेशन at very slow rate means structure is more stable, we can say the stability is there, so the mutation is at the very low rate. We can say the structure is more stable, structure stable होना चाहिए। and the most important thing means the genetic material is that which can express itself in the form of Mendelian inheritance, can be express itself as Mendelian inheritance. Here, meaning of the Mendelian inheritance is related to the जीन, मीन्स डीएनए या कोई भी जेनेटिक मटेरियल इतना स्टेबल और ऐसी प्रॉपर्टीज का होना चाहिए जिसके अंदर उसके जीन्स की तरह एक्सप्रेस करने की कैपेसिटी ज्यादा हो। सो दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज of the best genetic material, or we can say the stable genetic material that are present only in the DNA. One is the should be able to produce its replica. Second, we can say that having the more stable structure, so the mutation is at very low rate. Mutation is there, but the rate of mutation is very slow. Means structurally it is stable. Differences में हमने किया कि why it is more stable and express itself as a Mendelian inheritance, means having the expression in the form of gene. So this is all about the properties of the genetic material as well as the differences between the two different types of the genetic material, that is DNA and RNA.